This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Shauna Calvert. 1028 Signet Drive, Apollo Beach, Florida, Monaco. Floor plan 5 beds, 4.5 baths, bonus loft plus office, saltwater pool and spa, dock and boat lift, 3-car garage. Welcome to 1028 Signet Drive, a beautiful waterfront home in the exclusive MiraBay community of Apollo Beach. This move-in-ready home offers nearly 4,000 square feet of living space on an oversized lot and includes a 16,000 pounds boat lift plus a jet ski lift, giving you direct access to Tampa Bay. The open layout features custom hardwood floors, real wood plantation shutters, window treatments, and upgraded light fixtures and hardware throughout. The main floor includes 4 bedrooms, 2 with private ensuite baths, a dedicated home office, formal dining room, and a bright living area with coffered ceilings. The kitchen is the heart of the home with double islands, gas stove, double ovens, quartz countertops, subway tile backsplash, light cabinetry, and a walk-in pantry. Every fixture and light has been thoughtfully upgraded. The primary suite is tucked away on the first floor with beautiful water views, tray ceilings, a massive walk-in closet, and a spa-style bath with soaking tub and large shower. Upstairs you'll find a spacious bonus loft, a full bath, and the 5th bedroom, perfect for guests or extra living space. Step outside to your private Florida retreat, a fully screened lanai with panoramic screens, custom heated saltwater pool with a 10-person spa, brushed marble pavers, and lush landscaping overlooking the water. MiraBay is a gated, golf cart-friendly community offering resort-style amenities including pools with a waterslide, clubhouse with cafe, 24-hour fitness center, spa, lounge, tennis, pickleball, basketball, and a private boat launch. Come experience what life is like.